Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone you are fine. Dear students, today in class 4 subject English I will explain you unit 3 poem. Name of the poem is Run. Okay? So everyone, you will open your Marigold textbook. Let's see reading and explanation of the poem Run. Students, you can open your page number 38, right? The name of your poem is Run. So students, what is the meaning of run? रन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? भागना, राइट? दौड़ना. सो एवरीवन यू लाइक रन, राइट? अब सबको भी रन करना अच्छा लगता है. सो लेट्स सी इन दिस पोएम. स्टूडेंट्स, in this poem it is said about to run. ओके, ये पोएम में क्या बोला है? रन करने के लिए. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I will read this poem and then I will explain you word to word. Okay, so everyone pay attention here. Listen the teacher carefully how teacher is reading, right? Okay. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Students, who is the writer of this poem? Mary Daunt. Okay, keep in mind. And students, one more thing here I would like to inform you that students, this poem is for recitation only, right? ये पोएम आपको सिर्फ रिसाइट करने के लिए है. रेसिटेशन मीन्स सिंगिंग के लिए है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट दिस पोएम विथ ट्यून. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. रन मीन्स दौड़ना, भागना, राइट? Now, away from the city and into the sun. What is the meaning of away? Away means far. Far from the city means you run far from the city, away from the city. City से दूर. ओके, शहर से दूर आपको भागना है. एंड इनटू द सन, और कहाँ पे, सन के इनटू, इनटू मीन्स सन के पास, सन के अंदर, ओके। सो सूरज के अंदर आपको भागना है, राइट। शहर से दूर और सूरज के अंदर रन करो, राइट। आउट टू द कंट्री, रन 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 means out to the country means what is the meaning of country? Country means देश, right? So आपको out to the country, country से out, दूर run करना है, right? So students, here in this first stanza it is said that you run away from the city and into the sun and out to the country, okay. Run run and run. Students, what is the meaning of stanza? You know, this is called stanza. In lesson we are saying that paragraph, but here in poem we will say this whole fourth line is a first stanza, right? So how many stanza in this poem? There are 4 stanza. This one is first, second, third and fourth, right? So here in this first stanza it is said that run away from the city into the sun and out to the country, right? Now second stanza, run in the raindrops. What is the meaning of raindrops? Raindrops means water of the rain, right? जो बारिश की बूंदे होती है उसको रेन ड्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. सो रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स मीन्स जब बारिश होती है तो बारिश में आपको रन करना है. रन नीट द ट्रीज. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नीट? NEATH. नीट मीन्स अंडर, राइट? मीन्स रन नीट द ट्रीज मीन्स ये जो पेड़ है, ट्री है, उसके नीचे आपको क्या करना है? रन करना है. अंडर मीन्स नीचे. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी हियर this boys and girls are running, right? So run near the trees means पेड़ के नीचे रन करो. Then run little races with each little breeze. So आपको क्या करना है? रन लिटल रेसेस मीन्स स्मॉल रेस लेनी है रन करने की, और वो भी किसके साथ? विथ इच लिटल ब्रीज. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्रीज? ब्रीज मीन्स विंड, राइट? जो हमें अच्छा लगता है, ठंड ठंड विंड ब्लो होता है, उसको ब्रीज बोलते हैं. सो आपको ये जो पवन की लहर है उसके साथ रेस लेनी है, राइट? So what is said in the second stanza? In the second stanza it is said that run in the raindrops means you have to run in the rain, then run under the trees, and then run little races with small breeze, right? Means with the wind. Now come to third stanza. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Means here it is said that run down the hillside. You can see here this is the part of hillside, right? So run down the hillside means आपको hillside के नीचे run करना है, right? Down means नीचे. Then run up the lane means लेन जो है वहाँ पे आपको रन करना है. अप मीन्स ऊपर. देन रन थ्रू द मीडो. मीडो मीन्स ग्रास. यहाँ पे आपको मीडो पे भी रन करना है. देन रन बैक अगेन. फिर से रन करके बैक आ जाओ, राइट? रन बैक अगेन मीन्स फिर से भागो, फिर से रन करो. सो व्हाट इट सेज इन द थर्ड stanza? In the third stanza it is said that run down the hillside, run up the lane, and run through the meadow, and then run back again. Now fourth stanza, run and be merry means भागो and be merry. What is the meaning of merry? MERRY. merry means happy, right? Happy. So run and be happy. भागो और happy हो जाओ, खुश हो जाओ. All through the day means आपको पूरे दिन रन करना है और हैप्पी रहना है, खुश रहना है। रन टू द कंट्री मीन्स you have to run in the country, right? Away, away means far, far. Okay, so here in the fourth stanza, in the last stanza, it is said that you have to run and you have to be happy, and you will run through all the day. Okay, and run to the country, away, away. So students, this one is a nice, very nice small little poem. The writer of this poem is Mary Dawn. Keep in mind. Now students, here I am trying to sing the poem. You can sing in this way. Otherwise, you can open the YouTube link, and there is also recitation. Tune is there. With their tune, you can sing this poem. Okay. Here I am singing. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. Students, the beautiful picture of running the students is given here, right? The students are running and they are happy, you can see. Okay, so students, here the explanation of this poem, run, finish, right? I have explained poem also, and I have sing the poem also. So students, you have to recite this poem, you have to by heart this poem. Okay, I hope everyone you understood it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.